Hi!
Okay. Hello guys, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, hit that notification bell.
She said notification.
And like this video.
Like.
So today we're going to be making slime. So.
Oh.
And not eating it.
It would be a little rough, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
So now let's make some slime.
Let's make some slime. So where do we begin?
Well, here, pour some glue in your thing.
Okay, my thing could be a lot of things. So what
Your
thing?
bowl.
Oh, the bowl. So pour some glue into the bowl. How much should I be pouring?
I'll tell you when to stop.
Any day you could tell me. I'm pouring.
And
Man,
that's
I poured so much glue in here.
Right.
It's enough for my first grade all the way to my 8th grade projects.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh wait, now.
Wait, we gotta let everybody know we are not sponsored by Elmer's. However, we do use their product. Okay.
Okay.
You cheated.
So what? Okay. Now you can add no, you have this at the end. You can add paint, glitter, or foam balls.
Okay.
So you can pick one.
Right now we do?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna pick. I like a glitter. I don't know. I'm just gonna pick yellow now. Dad, pick something.
It took forever. Green because why?
It's your favorite color.
It's my favorite color.
Yep. And my favorite color. I'm just using a little bit of yellow.
Sparkly? Sparkly.
You know you can put more. But, okay. See? I put
I'm glad you filled me with that information. Okay.
Oh, I'm sorry. Now you can add, if you want, you can add paint or foam balls, or you can just add your.
Could you add everything?
Yeah, you can add everything.
You just could go nuts and just add a whole bunch of stuff?
Yeah, you can.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm probably gonna add some foam balls also. Maybe a little bit of paint.
You know it helps when you sing?
No, I did not help when you sing.
Try it, go.
No, Dad, no.
Just one. Two. Okay. Do you want any of these? You know I got glue on my... Watch.
Oh my goodness.
That's pretty cool.
Yep. Ooh, I like the little one. It's gonna stick to your hand.
Hello? My name is Kermit the Frog. Okay, so what do we do next?
You can add your activator if you want. The activator.
Oh, sorry. Okay, so again, we are not sponsored by Elmer's. However, we do use their product.
So just add a little bit at a time.
Do I stir while I add?
You can.
Or do I add while I stir?
Okay. The same thing.
Okay, I just put 7 drips.
I guess.
Now what do I do?
Okay. So keep going until it forms off the when it comes off the sides. Then you go in with your hands.
Okay.
And then,
I'm still.
yeah.
Save this for a snack later.
Okay. Oh, some foam balls.
Okay. So while we stir, is there anything you want to tell me?
No.
Anything you want to tell your audience?
No.
Why do you like doing this every day?
Because, I don't know, Slime is just fun to play with.
It's fun to play with. Do you like the way it feels?
Yes. It's like you're inspecting me.
No, I'm just wondering.
Ooh, this is pretty. It's like adding.
So when you make so much slime, then what are you going to do with it? Look at.
I'm just gonna make a bunch of slime. I don't know. I'm just...
Oh, excuse me. Oh, sorry.
He's just lying.
So, how's that? How's that consistency?
Dad, it has to come off the bowl. Yeah, like.
Because you're explaining it so well.
Okay. Oh, this is pretty.
So, I'm just adding, stirring, adding, stirring, adding, stirring,
Same as adding.
stirring, and adding.
And yeah, we do.
Okay, so look at that. Look at that.
Very nice, Dad.
Oh.
It still needs a little bit of activator.
Activator.
I don't know.
Isn't that like a song?
I guess. Call it a song.
Hey, again, snack for later.
Okay, this is pretty. I like it now. I'm almost out of activator. I just got it yesterday. Yum. Dad, you're just like. The only person who would, well, not really a person, a dog, would eat it is Nico. Eat slime.
You like this break for station identification? Do you know what that means?
No.
Okay, it's like a commercial.
Oh, okay.
So let's do a commercial.
Okay, okay.
What do you want to do a commercial on?
Okay, I don't know.
Huh?
I don't know.
Oh.
I don't know.
You gotta be prepared for this kind of stuff. Okay, so now what do I do?
If it's coming, okay, you
Look at
need
that bubble. Ooh.
You need a little more.
A little more what?
Activator.
Activator!
Oh no.
If it's not a song, it will be tonight.
Help me. Like C minus not ready, but like I go in with.
Did you just give me a C minus?
No!
This is A quality.
This is basically his second time making slime, right, Daddy?
People out there think I am a pro. Don't let them know that this is only my second time.
Okay.
By the looks of that, that's professional.
You need more activator.
Are you serious? I can put more?
Yeah.
How do you know how much to put?
Because when it comes off the bowl, like fully, like really comes off the bowl, it's like.
Oh, so it's just kind of like a feeling.
I guess.
I love your guesses. Now, I just put so much activator in there. It's going to not only come off, it's going to fly right to the roof.
Okay, that's a little off.
Look at that.
Okay, you got it now. Now pick it up and like play with
You know, this reminds me of Jurassic Park.
How?
When you blew up the dinosaur and it just went.
Wait, Dad, now you have to go in with your hands. Like me.
Wait a minute.
That's how you make your slime, because if you
I've got to touch it?
Yeah. It'll get off your hands once you mix it with your hands.
You know, once I go cry over the sink.
Okay, Dad, do it. Put your hands in. See, let me feel. Oh yeah, that is ready.
You know, the break for station identification commercial should be like cold medicine or Kleenex. because this looks like a lot of
Did you hear that?
snot.
It's not snot.
Say that 20 times. Say it.
It's not snot. I can't. No.
Okay. Are we done yet?
You have to play with it, Dad.
No. We're making it for this. We're not going to sit here and play with it.
No, you just have to show them the end result. They have to see you play with it. Come on, Dad. Play with this. Play with it, Dad. Come on. Come on. Come on.
I am with a spoon.
No, like with your hands. Go in with your hands.
Ugh.
Can you show? Ooh, this is pretty.
Really? I have to touch it?
Yeah.
Ugh.
I touched it.
It feels like, you know, like
Dad, your slime is ready.
tissue when you... I don't... Oh, look, it's bubbling too.
Yeah, because... Oh.
It's like a sinus infection. That is totally a sinus infection.
Nope. Not Daddy. Oh.
Okay.
Yes. Yes, Queen.
Oh, yeah. Woo! We are playing, having some fun. Oh, yeah. Forget going outside to the pool. Going to the park. Put down your fishing pole. We've got slime.
Slime is fun, Daddy.
Man, you're working that thing like...
Woo!
Okay, this concludes
Hi, kitty.
this evening of slime making. And we want to thank you for joining us.
And this is
Next
my slime.
time we will... What will we do next time?
Wait. We will probably do something fun. Ooh, I like your
I
slime.
thought this was fun.
Yeah, no, there's something...
You tricked me?
No, this is
I think you tricked me into this.
Ooh, this is pretty. Dad, your slime is clear. Oh my goodness. How did you do that? Okay, there you go.
Okay, thanks for the whispers.
Wait.
All
I'm
right,
gonna
well-
show- Wait, just a second.
We accomplished Mission Impossible. Thank you, join... What do we call this?
The slime...
Slimelicious,
No, the slime
daddy and
experts.
daughter.
No, the slime experts.
Oh. Are we really experts?
Yeah.
I don't know, I feel like a novice right now.
No, you're an expert. You're good.
Okay. Anyway, thank you for
Anyway.
joining us. And have a wonderful night.
Bye.
Bye.